Yo YouTube, it's your boy Zabs, back with another video, and today we're gonna do some little cosmetic mods. So, for now, what just came in, just got these two emblems, to match the wheel center caps. So, I want to match everything, and then later in the video, I'm gonna do the front lip. So this is gonna be like 2-day video, but for you guys, it's gonna be instant, because magic of YouTube. So yeah. This is gonna be me installing the hood and trunk emblems, or whatever you want to call it, roundels. Alright, this is a little continuation. I use a little plastic trim tool to pry it out. I put blue tape on the side so I don't scratch the paint, and just got just two tabs, one on this side and then it's held on by adhesive. So you just pry it from this side and from this side, and then try to get all these edges out to get all the glue removed. If you have a heat gun, that would be better to heat up all the glue, and it'll pop off right away. Okay, so once you get it off, I needed 2 hands to use it, so I had to stop recording. Should come with these little tiny grommets. One stayed in, but one popped out. It came off with the badge, but that's alright. You could either buy these new, they're like 60 cents, or just reuse the old ones if they're not damaged. So yeah, I'm gonna clean this up and put it back in. Alright, this is the old one. That's how it looks like. You get these 2 dowels, and this one doesn't come with adhesive, but the new one did come with it. I'm guessing, just in case it did come off. But you line up with the 2 dowels, so it's impossible to mess up, and just push it in. Looks pretty good though, matches the center caps pretty nicely. Time to do the back. Okay guys, this is the final result. That's how it looks. Looks perfect. Yeah, so got these from IND distribution. This side did have adhesive, so I'm kind of suspicious on why this one had it and the other one didn't. But yeah, what I did was I used a little bit of turtle wax label and sticker remover. This helped to get that adhesive off. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how it looks like now. So yeah, it looks pretty good. Yeah, that's it for now. For this part of the video, we're gonna do the front lip in the next day when it comes. So peace out. Yo guys, we're back with the next day, and thankfully the lip did come in the morning, like right on time, before I even woke up. Sorry, I just woke up, so yeah. But this is how it looks like. It looks real clean, so yeah, it's gonna come out pretty good. Alright guys, we're back. I had to drill out some holes. They didn't come pre-drilled, so I did that myself. And then yeah, this is pretty much right after that. Lined it up. So this is how it looks before I put it on. So yeah, it looks kind of mean already. I can see it. Yo guys, we are done. It took me some time to adjust it and everything, but yeah, this is how it looks. There's a couple screws on each side, so I think 3 screws each. Not think, but there is 3 screws each. So 3 screws on that one, 3 on this one, and 3 on that one. So yeah, let me say off the bat, fitment is not perfect. You get what you pay for. But honestly, if you step back like this, it's a great 10-footer. She looks hard right now. Yeah, so I'm gonna do spacers soon, and I'm gonna get rid of this reflector as well. So yeah, we'll see when that comes into the mail soon. Because right now the fitment, it's tucked in pretty good. The back is not too bad. Yeah, it's not too bad, but could always have better. Yeah, the front inside is Tucked for sure. Yo, what's up, guys? We're back for a third day in a row, and we got more parts. We got the 12mm spacers for the rear with the bolts, obviously, and then we got 15 for the front, and as well we got the paint match reflectors. So we're gonna do that right now. You're gonna see how it goes. Alright guys, we just installed the rear spacer, 12mm in the back. See how it looks. About to drop it right now. Ooh, baby, looking flush. Obviously the car's not lowered right now, but that's what we're gonna get for that kind of fitment. Not bad, not bad. All right, time to move on to the fronts. Just took off the front wheel, putting on some more anti-seize. There was a little bit on already, so I'm not too concerned about that. Just want to put a little bit more. You know, the more doesn't hurt. Just a little bit. It does look old, so. All right, spread it around. All right, that's pretty good. Time to get the spacer on. 15mm in the front. Make sure it's even. Sitting flush and even. Nice. Okay. Time to get the wheel. Actually, we gotta do the reflectors before we put on the front spacers, just so we have easy access. Just got to remove these front two bolts. There are 8mm. Just pull the fender liner up a little bit so you can get behind. There you go. Some people just push it in, but yeah, clearly that's not gonna work for me because the whole bumper's getting pushed. Of course. I might have to get a glue gun or something. Alright guys, we just put in the new reflector. I'm just holding it in a little longer so that the adhesive can stick to the bumper. But yeah, it's looking real crispy right now. Look at everything clean. It's a little dirty on the outside, but we'll clean it up. But this is the final result for the reflectors. All right guys, we got the reflectors color matched in. We got the spacer in. Time to drop the wheel, see how it looks. You're gonna see the difference before and after right here. Whew. Looking nice.
Hey guys, this is the finished results of all 4 mods. Let me know what you guys think about how they came out and what I should do next. Thanks for watching and peace out.